Hi, this is Bernhardt, and in this video I'm going to show you guys on how to edit our postcards in our preschool niche. And I'm using Adobe Photoshop CS2, as you can see, because I want to show you guys that uh, the postcards will work on PSD versions or CS2 versions. And if you have the latest versions, that would be great. And in this video, we will do some editing with the text. I want to show you on how to edit the text, replace the images, and adding more styles into it. So let's get started. I'm going to drag our PSD file in our CS2 Photoshop, and this will appear. If you will see this appear on your Photoshop, just click OK, just like that. And now, as you can see in our layer, we have our texts and some of our elements and our image. So in order to change or edit the text, as you can see in our thumbnail here, we have this warning icon sign, so it's not editable. The text is not yet editable. So in order to edit the text, just double click on those, just like that. And now we can now edit the text. Say for example, headline, just like that. And we can resize it by hitting Control T, like so. And we can change the color, change the style when we double click on the layer here, the space here. So the layer style window will appear, and you can just play around all the styles, all the settings here. If you can choose one color for your text, or you can choose the gradient color, and you can choose the presets that's available in here, or you can create your own. Just click on that color and on the gradient, and click on the colors. Now you can choose what color you like. As you can see, there you go, and just click OK when you're done. Now the same process when editing all the text. You can either move this text, you can copy the styles as well. Say for example, if you want to copy this headline style, so just go to the layer, right click and choose copy layer style, and go to call now. For example, we want this effect copied to call now. So go to call now layer, right click on the layer and choose paste layer style, just like that. Now we can also edit our element here, the yellow one. We can change the color of that by just double clicking on the thumbnail. There you go. So you can see we have changed the color. We can add more styles to it by double clicking on it, and say for example, adding a stroke, just like that, and click OK. All the layers here, just double click on those and this will appear. You can play around with all the settings here. Alright, so now we're going to change our image. So let's just delete this image and we're going to replace it with a new one. Say for example, this image here. Let's just put this over here, just like that. But we're going to clip our image so that our image is inside our frame, so it won't touch the black border around it. So what we're going to do is hold the Alt key, okay, Alt key, and put your cursor between the two layers, okay, here. So just click when you see this icon appears, that icon, just click. Now we have clipped our image. Same for our element here. So let's hold the Alt key and then put your cursor between these layers and just click. There you go. Very easy. And we can also add multiple images. Say for example, you want to add more images into your postcard. Just drag the images wherever you want, and we can resize it by hitting Control T. We can flip our image as well by right click and flip horizontal and just hit Enter key. We can place it here, and this we can reposition all our layers just like that. Okay, so that's for our first postcard.